Wedding Etiquette, Do's and Don'ts for Guests. Title: Wedding Etiquette, Do's and Don'ts for Guests. Introduction. Attending a wedding is not solely about celebrating love and joy with a happy couple, it also involves respecting and adhering to certain wedding etiquette. Whether you're a seasoned wedding guest or attending your first wedding, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with some do's and don'ts for guests. In this article, we will outline essential guidelines to ensure that you navigate any wedding with grace and courtesy, making it a memorable experience for everyone involved. Do's. 1. RSVP promptly. RSVP stands for Répondez s'il vous plaît, which means please respond in French. When you receive a wedding invitation, promptly send a response indicating whether you will attend or not. This helps the couple make accurate arrangements for the ceremony, reception, and meals. 2. Plan ahead. Once you've confirmed your attendance, make appropriate travel and accommodation arrangements well in advance. This will not only save you from last-minute stress but also ensure that you can enjoy tea. Wedding without unnecessary disruptions. 3. Dress appropriately. Follow the dress code specified on the wedding invitation. If there is no specific dress code mentioned, opt for formal or semi-formal attire. Avoid wearing white, as it is traditionally reserved for the bride. 4. Arrive on time. Punctuality is crucial when it comes to weddings. Be sure to arrive at the ceremony and reception venues on time or slightly early. This shows respect for the couple's schedules and allows you to witness the entire ceremony. 5. Turn off your phone. To fully engage and be present at the wedding, switch off or mute your phone. Distractions can disrupt the solemnity or celebratory atmosphere of the event. 6. Follow religious and cultural customs. If the wedding incorporates certain religious or cultural customs, familiarize yourself with them beforehand. Respect these traditions and participate in them when appropriate, ensuring you don't inadvertently offend anyone. 7. Congratulate the couple. Take a moment to congratulate the newlyweds, either during the reception or after the ceremony. Extend your well wishes and share your joy for their union. This small gesture goes a long way in making the couple feel loved and appreciated. Don'ts. 1. Bring uninvited guests. Unless the invitation explicitly states that you can bring A+1 or additional guests, do not assume that you can. Respect the couple's guest list and only include the individuals mentioned on the invitation. 2. Wear inappropriate attire. Avoid wearing anything that is too revealing, overly casual, or inappropriate for a wedding setting. Remember, it is not your special day, and your outfit should reflect that. 3. Skip the ceremony for the reception. Unless you have a legitimate reason, make an effort to attend both the wedding ceremony and the reception. Skipping the ceremony and only showing up for the festivities might be considered disrespect. 4. Overshare on social media. While weddings are joyous occasions, it is essential to respect the couple's privacy. Before posting any pictures or updates on social media, ensure that the wedding couple is comfortable with it. Do not share any intimate or unflattering moments that may embarrass the couple or other guests. 5. Overindulge in alcohol. Weddings often include celebratory drinks, but it's important to drink responsibly. Excessive drinking may lead to inappropriate behavior and can overshadow the joyous atmosphere of the event. Pace why. Ourself and always be mindful of your alcohol consumption. 6. Speak during important moments. During significant moments such as speeches, vows, or the couple's first dance, refrain from talking loudly or disrupting the proceedings. Respect these moments and allow the couple and other guests to enjoy them without interruption. 7. Leave without thanking the hosts. Before leaving the reception, take a moment to personally thank the couple and their families for inviting you to their special day. Express your gratitude for their hospitality and the wonderful celebration. Weddings are special occasions that require guests to adhere to certain etiquette guidelines. By following these do's and don'ts, you can ensure that you contribute positively to the couple's memorable day, making it a memorable experience for everyone involved. One important do is to RSVP promptly. When you receive a wedding invitation, it is essential to respond promptly, indicating whether you will attend or not. This allows the couple to make accurate arrangement for the ceremony, reception, and meals. Planning ahead is another crucial do. Once you have confirmed your attendance, make appropriate travel and accommodation arrangements well in advance. This will save you from last-minute stress and ensure that you can enjoy the wedding without any unnecessary disruptions. Dressing appropriately is another important do. It's essential to follow the dress code specified on the wedding invitation. If there is no specific dress code mentioned, opt for formal or semi-formal attire. However, be sure to avoid wearing white as it is traditionally reserved for the bride. Arriving on time is another courteous do. Punctuality is crucial when it comes to weddings. It is important to arrive at the ceremony and reception venues on time or slightly early. This shows respect for the couple's schedules and allows you to witness the entire ceremony. To fully engage and be present at the wedding, it is recommended to turn off or mute your phone. Distractions can disrupt the solemnity or celebratory atmosphere of the event. Respecting religious and cultural customs is another important do for guests. If the wedding incorporates certain customs, it is crucial to familiarize yourself with them beforehand. This way, you